So this is it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this USB-C 20 watts power adapter and the cord. So we're going to be unboxing that today. I hope you saw yesterday's video where we unboxed the AirPods 3. So today we'll be unboxing the charger. Stay tuned and stay to the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not. Thanks. My gift that came with my AirPods 3. So now I'm going to be unboxing the, should I unbox this first or this? Okay, let me unbox this first. So this is a type C mount cord. This is it. This is it. So let's do this. Just going to remove it. It's supposed to be together. So I'm just going to remove this, I guess. Let me try it like this. Yeah. So these are manuals, I guess, on how to use the cord. I don't know. Then this is the cord itself. This is an original iPhone cord. But it only works with type C head, type C adapter. So I'm just going to keep this here. Now this is the adapter. This is 20 watts. Guys, trust me, I've used the charger like this before and it is fast. When I say it is fast, I mean it is really fast. So if you're planning on getting a charger for your iPhone, I would seriously recommend this because it is really fast. So I'm just going to open this too. I'm just going to gently. Okay. Wow. Nice. Wow. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Can you see this? Wow, the packaging is so nice. So nice. This is nice. Then this is the manual, I guess. Oops, sorry. This is the manual. This time. So this is it. How do I remove this? Wow, guys, look at this. Okay. Oops. Wow. So fine. So yeah, this is the adapter. This is 20 watts. Guys, trust me when I say this is really fast. I've used it before. Mine was swapped though, so it was swapped for a fake when I went to charge somewhere outside my house. So but trust me guys, this is fast. So just going to put this here, then I'll plug this to my phone and I charge, and that's all. So when I'm done, I can just easily remove this, drop it back and close it. So that is that. I would recommend this if you really need a good and fast iPhone charger, and this is portable. You can easily just drop it inside your bag or purse with this closed. So thank you for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.